Grouping products together in the iDevices connected app allows you to create scenes. On iOS devices, scenes are an easy and convenient way to control HomeKit products together. You can ask Siri to play the scene, or if you have an Apple Home Hub, you can set up a schedule for your scene, which will play even when you're not on the Wi-Fi network. A Home Hub can be an Apple TV 4K, Apple TV 4th generation, HomePod, or iPad running iOS 10 and later. From the Home dashboard, tap Scenes on the bottom of the screen. If this is your first scene, tap Create a Scene in the center of the screen. Otherwise, tap the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select the HomeKit accessories you want to include in your scene. Then, choose the actions you wish your products to perform when that scene is played. When you're done choosing accessories, tap Next and then enter a scene name. Review your scene and hit Done if everything looks good. You can now tell Siri to play your morning scene, or, through the app, just tap on the play button under the Scenes menu. If you want to learn more about iDevices products or need additional help, head over to iDevicesinc.com/support.